If you are looking for ways to manage your diabetes better, Golden Asian Spice and Ayurvedic remedy turmeric may be just what you need. See what turmeric can do to fight diabetes and possibly even prevent it. Reduces blood glucose levels. Curcumin, a polyphenol and a major component of turmeric, plays a central role in much of the spice's benefits against diabetes. It can help lower your blood glucose levels by bringing down glucose production in the liver, besides improving insulin sensitivity. Curcumin in turmeric also helps bring down levels of glycosylated hemoglobin, an indicator of how much in control your diabetes really is, besides helping lower blood sugar levels. Lowers glucose surge after meals. Turmeric oil can help inhibit glucosidase enzymes effectively. These enzymes help break down complex carbs like starch and glycogen into glucose. Turmeric can, therefore, help bring down postprandial hyperglycemia as well as insulin peaks you may experience after a meal. Improves insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance is a major risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes. In this condition, cells in the muscles and liver respond poorly to insulin and do not take up enough glucose. But since the cells remain resistant to insulin, over time, levels of both insulin and blood glucose become abnormally high, causing the pancreas and reduce insulin production, leading to type 2 diabetes. Heart disease. Diabetics are at a greater risk of heart disease since high blood glucose leads to multiple risk factors for heart disease. High blood glucose levels can cause a rise in reactive oxygen species-free radicals. When atheroma builds up in coronary arteries, it can lead to atherosclerosis and consequently heart attack. Diabetes can also affect the functioning of the liver and cause an imbalance in the cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which in turn can raise the risk of atherosclerosis. Boosts liver function. Diabetes tends to increase your risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Turmeric can protect your liver from oxidative damage and improve its functioning. Turmeric also increases the antioxidant enzyme levels in the liver that help neutralize toxic byproducts of metabolism. Golden milk. If you've heard tales of golden milk doing the rounds, know this dash. The yellow hue of that now popular drink found in cafes across the country comes from turmeric. Simply infuse a spoon of organic turmeric into warm milk with some honey to taste if you like your drink sweet. If you can't have dairy, coconut milk or other non-dairy milk will do fine.